Hello friends, in this lesson we will learn about strings method in Python programming. So we will look at the upper method. An upper method converts all characters in a string to uppercase. For example, I just give my message, while my variable name will be message, and then I say I love programming. You can say, I love you, I love Lisa, I love something, I can just say, I love programming. Okay, let's use it upper method. I write print function. So, what's my variable name? Is message. And then, I use upper method. So, if I run it, you see, I love programming. All letters are automatically converted to uppercase. So, in our examples, sometimes we need these. So this method is often used to standardize user input or text data. Super. See you in the next lesson.